Hey, wonderful viewers!
Welcome back to Health is Wealth, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness.
And today we're diving into the incredible world of castor oil. It's not just a beauty secret, it's a powerhouse that can revolutionize your health.
Stick around as we explore some amazing castor oil uses
and discuss why incorporating it into your routine is a game changer.
Let's talk about why castor oil is so important for our health. Derived from the seeds of the castor plant, this golden elixir is loaded with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that work wonders for our body inside and out. Castor oil has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties.
It's known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, making it a versatile remedy for various health concerns.
From promoting digestive health to supporting hair growth, castor oil has got you covered. So, let's get started with these amazing castor oil uses. First, skin conditions. Castor oil is believed to be beneficial for various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Its properties, including anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial attributes, make it suitable for soothing irritated skin. When applied topically, castor oil can help reduce redness, inflammation, and discomfort associated with these skin conditions. Its moisturizing effects may also contribute to overall skin health. While individual responses may vary, incorporating castor oil into a skincare routine may provide relief. For those dealing with skin-related issues, eyelash and eyebrow growth. For those seeking to enhance the growth and thickness of eyelashes and eyebrows, castor oil offers a natural solution. Applying a small amount of castor oil to these areas can stimulate hair follicles and promote healthier lash and brow growth. Care should be taken to avoid contact with the eyes, as getting the oil into the eyes can cause irritation. With consistent and careful application, individuals may notice improvements in the length and thickness of their eyelashes and eyebrows over time. Hair growth. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to stimulate hair growth, making it a popular choice for hair treatments. The process involves applying the oil directly to the scalp, gently massaging it to ensure proper absorption, and leaving it on for a few hours or overnight before washing. This application method allows the oil to penetrate the hair follicles, providing nourishment and promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Regular use of castor oil in this manner is believed to enhance hair texture, strengthen strands, and reduce issues like breakage and split ends. Joint pain relief. Another application of castor oil is in the realm of joint pain relief, particularly for conditions like arthritis. Massaging castor oil onto affected joints can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties, combined with its ability to penetrate the skin, make it a popular choice for topical application in areas where individuals experience joint discomfort. Regular use may contribute to improved joint mobility and an overall reduction in pain associated with inflammatory joint conditions. Constipation relief. While castor oil is recognized for its potent laxative properties, its use for constipation relief should be approached with caution. Constipation is a condition where individuals experience difficulty in passing stools. Castor oil acts as a stimulant laxative, promoting bowel movements by inducing strong contractions in the intestines. Nail and cuticle care. For individuals looking to maintain healthy nails and cuticles, castor oil can be a valuable addition to their care routine. Massaging castor oil into the nails and cuticles helps moisturize and strengthen them. This, in turn, may prevent nail breakage and promote healthy nail growth. The oil's nourishing properties contribute to the overall health of the nails and cuticles. Regular application of castor oil in this manner can be especially beneficial for those with dry or brittle nails, providing them with the care needed to remain strong and resilient. Massage oil. Castor oil's versatility extends to its use as a massage oil, providing a natural and potentially relaxing solution for muscle stiffness. When applied through massage, castor oil can penetrate the skin, promoting relaxation and potentially easing muscle tension. It is often combined with other carrier oils, such as coconut or almond oil, to enhance its texture and improve the overall massage experience.
Regular use of castor oil in massage therapy may contribute to improved blood circulation,
reduced muscle soreness, and an increased sense of well-being. And there you have it, just a glimpse into the amazing uses of castor oil
that can significantly contribute to your overall health and well-being. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've ever tried castor oil and what benefits you've experienced. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe for more health tips.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss out.
Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care, and stay healthy.